you want to know how to make this product, this is a plastic blister folding package. And if you want to make this product, we need to use the 3 machines. The one is the blister forming machine and the cutting machine, and the other one is this. This is the blister 8 folding machine. And now let me see how the machine's operation. We can see the machine have the 2 models, the manual and the automatic. And now I will show you the automatic. This is the heating switch. When the temperature is to the right, and we can start the machine. We can see this part. When you put the material on this way, on the right way, and then the material will through the plate. And this part is the edge folding. When the folding is finished, the product will through to this part. Can you understanding the operation now? If you have any other question, please contact me.